In this video, I'm going to make a water glass by using SolidWorks. So let's start. First of all, open the SolidWorks and go to Home. Select Part from here. Select this from plain white background for better looking. Go to Sketch and Sketch. Select the top plane. Okay. Select hexagon. Polygon has 6 number of lines. It will become hexagons from origin. Draw a hexagon. Select OK, give its dimension and keep it 80 millimeter. OK. Select OK. Just exit the sketch right now and go to features. From here, reference geometry, go to plane, and from this part select top plane. OK. Keep it 150 millimeter. Select OK. Now sketch this plane one. Again draw a hexagon from the same point. OK. Now this time keep the dimension of this hexagon 120 millimeter. OK. Just reduce little bit 10 millimeter. OK. Now exit the sketch. Now build a relation between these two lines, parallel relation. So select this line, press Ctrl key and hold it down and select this line. Press Ctrl key, select this line. Sketch, edit the sketch. Select this line, press Ctrl key and select this line. Give the relation parallel. Okay. Now exit the sketch. Now go to feature, select lofted boss base from here. Select this point and this point. Select OK. Hide the sketch. OK. Now select this bottom sketch. Just click on convert entities. OK. Go to features. Go to extruded boss base. 10 millimeter. Extrude it up to 20 millimeter. Just check the thin feature. Reverse the direction and keep it 2 millimeter. Select OK. Now go to shell command. Just select this sketch face 1. Just click on OK. Now just see the thickness. Keep the thickness 2 millimeter. OK. Select OK. Now just go to the appearance, select glass from here and give it color as a glass material. Just drag and drop it on the body, part 3. You can see a glass. If you want to change the color, you can change the color of the glass. Let's say this is yellow. Just drag and drop it on the part. Okay. If you want to change the dimension, you can make the upper polygon little bit bigger for better shape. Okay, this is the sample drawing for glass, water glass. Thank you.